Get to know your Apple Watch and learn more about some useful gestures and features in Watch OS 10. When you receive a notification, like an incoming message, you'll feel a tap on your wrist. To respond right away, raise your wrist, then tap the app drawer to share your location, send an emoji or a GIF, and more. Or tap the text field to dictate or type a response. If your notifications have been stacking up, you can find them all in Notification Center. Just swipe down from the top of your watch face and scroll through your notifications. Once you're caught up, you can clear one from this list by selecting the notification you want to delete, swiping left across it, and tapping the Delete button. To clear all of your notifications at once, scroll to the top and tap Clear All. Control Center lets you quickly turn on Do Not Disturb, helps you find your iPhone, and more. To open Control Center, press the side button. To close it, press the side button again. You can access the Smart Stack from your watch face to view widgets that contain timely information. Just turn the digital crown and scroll to access more widgets. You can add your favorites to make sure you get the information you want. To go to the home screen from your watch face, press the digital crown. Now you can tap any app to open it. Let's open Activity and check how our rings are doing today. Turn the digital crown for more detailed activity information. To view all the apps you've used recently, double-click the digital crown to open the app switcher. You can tap an app to reopen it or scroll to view more. If you've set up Apple Pay on your iPhone, you can use it on your Apple Watch too. Just double-click the side button and bring your watch near the contactless reader. You'll feel a gentle tap and your Apple Watch will beep when the transaction is complete. Want a fresh look for your Apple Watch? First, touch and hold the watch face. Then you can tap Edit to customize the current one, or swipe left or right to change to a different watch face saved in your collection. If you want to create something new, swipe left all the way to the end and tap the New button. You can also use Siri with your Apple Watch. Press and hold the digital crown. Then say something like, "Remind me to water the plants in the morning."
Okay, I added water the plants for tomorrow 7 a.m.
Thanks, Siri. If you need to make an emergency call, press and hold the side button and drag the Emergency Call slider to the right. This will call emergency services and send a text message with your location to your emergency contacts if you have any set up. You can also keep holding the side button until your Apple Watch issues a warning sound and starts a countdown. When the countdown ends, your Apple Watch calls emergency services. From this screen, you can also turn off your Apple Watch by tapping the Power button at the top right and dragging the slider to the right. To turn it back on again, just press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This is just the start of what you can do with your Apple Watch. Now you're ready to explore more of what it has to offer. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe or click another video to keep watching. Not all features are available in all regions, on all models, or with family setup. Some sequences in this video were shortened.